a quick reminder, but don't get scared. We are just living and talking right now, like this conversation, right at the beginning of the end of the universe.
What?
Don't get scared.
Why? Like,
don't get scared because
what is this scary news? You telling me something scary and you say don't get scared?
The sun is going to eat Earth in 5 billion years, and in 6 billion years, the sun will die and turn into a white dwarf. And
What is the future of our planet?
And in 9 billion years, the universe's galaxies would fade away and red dwarfs would vanish, but white dwarfs still exist until quintillions of years. But the universe lifespan is 18 billion years. And imagine death. If the universe is 18 billion years old in all directions, past and future, so we don't know.
So the universe is ending.
So that means all the galaxies vanish. Then black holes vanish in a Google years. But Google is bigger than billion.
So the end of the world is starting.
No, the universe is not a
Wow.
world. If it was a world, the free properties is it has to be spherical, it has to have a surface you can stand on, and it has to be within a universe. Ours is a universe. Second, it has planets in it that are worlds.
Is there any advice that you recommend us?
Imagine this. We are inside a candle, and that candle is inside of Pluto. But we would never know that that the candle we are living in is inside of Pluto. Just like that, this answers a question. We're living in a multiverse, but we can't see. We can only hear. But hearing from beyond the universe doesn't mean you don't know the universe completely. That means you still have hope of finding something outside the universe without seeing it. Because
I think that is God.
God is outside our universe, but created ours and created the multiverse.
So I think knowing God is the
God is the creator of everything, and everything is inside infinity, and infinity is inside the greater infinity. But what is inside infinity? Everything. Everything is what is inside everything? What's inside everything is the box, which contains everything. What's inside the box? The box what's within the box? The structure is the barrel. The barrel is then structured by the outside, structured by the omniverse, the hyperverse, then xenoverse, and arverse, even quetaverse, the octaverse, the quetaverse, the yotaverse, the octaverse, the something, the multiverse, the metaverse, the multiverse, the megaverse. So many verses. You could be smarter than me because my IQ is just 217.
No, አይደለም እንደዛ ማለት አትችልም። አልስማማም።
Why?
ምክንያቱም አንተ ትበልጠኛለህ እንዴ?
No, but you could be smarter than me one day.
One day ማለት መች አርጅቼ ድንጋይ ላይ በቀለ ጺም ነው?
No.
አይደለም.
One day could be like next year. You could be smarter than Einstein.
ማካንተ እንዴት?
How? You have to read books. You have to see games. You have to find games that help you. You need to learn simulations.
ምን አይነት game?
Games that help you to physics, maths, and others like nuclear. ለምሳሌ nuclearis, which is about how you can work on a nuclear power plant by using nuclear physics, which is in physics. So it's teaching physics.
እሺ ኑክሌርን ማወቅ ከዛ ጭንቅላቴን አይኪን ከፍ ያደርገዋል?
But it only increases by 1. So you have to read 1 billion books to have 1 billion IQ if you have 0.
እንዴት ነው ማነበው?
1 billion books? Well, you have to read it.
እንዴት? አንተ ስንት መጽሐፍ አንብበሃል?
ስንት መጽሐፍ? Well, I started reading books when I was free, and
ስንት ይሆናል
when
እስካሁን
I was
ያነበብከው?
free to 8 to now, that means 1,415,000,000 and
መጽሐፍ?
220,000 and 200.
መጽሐፍ አንብበሃል?
Yes.
ስንት ቢሊዮን መጽሐፍ?
I'm the billion.
ኧረ ኢትዮጵያስ አንድ ቢሊዮን መጽሐፍ አንብቤያለሁ እያለ ነው።
No. You can read a trillion, a quintillion. You can even read a nonillion or a
በስንት ዓመት ውስጥ?
or a Google
ኧረ ኢትዮጵያስ በሕግ
or
አምላክ
a grand number or infinity books.
እንዴት ተደርጎ ነው በዚህ አጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ?
You just have to be patient and read the entire thing, and then you have to repeat
የፈለገ ፔሽንት
step
መሆን
by step.
የፈለገ ፔሽንት መሆን ቢሊዮን መጽሐፍ አነባለሁ?
Patience.
ከየት እንዴት ላምጣ? እንዴት ነው ፔሽንት መሆነው?
Patience? Well, your mind has to guide you to get patient.
እንዴት እኔ ማይንድ ራሱን በራሱ ይቆጣጠራል? አልቆጣጠረውም እያልኩ።
No. Let me tell you. Your mind is guiding you to be patient. But you're not acknowledging your mind.
እኔ አእምሮዬን ራሴ ጋይድ ማድረግ ስፈልግ አእምሮዬ ራሱ ጋይድ እንዴት ያደርገኛል? ማን ነው የኔ አእምሮ? እንዴት ነው እኔን ጋይድ የሚያደርገኝ?
God controls the mind, which controls you, and God controls everything. You cannot control God because He's in another universe, so you cannot act or even think of it.
ስለዚህ መጽሐፍ
So that's why so many people don't believe in God, and so many people think He's in another universe. And
you believe in God? አንተ ታምናለህ በእግዚአብሔር?
Yes, you believe in God. I believe in God. Ethiopians believe in God, but Ethiopians believe in God that it's beyond the universe, but still believe in God. So it doesn't mean believing in God.
እግዚአብሔር እዚህ ያለ
essentially no. Or that way, or any direction. You can be any direction.
በሁሉም አቅጣጫ አለ?
And infinite light